Hello everybody, here's my mama, and she's going to be making lemon pie for y'all today. And here's everything that you'll need. You need whipped topping or Cool Whip. You need some lemons, some carnation milk or evaporated milk, and
Lemon pudding.
lemon pudding or lemon pie filling.
Yeah.
And you'll need the pie crust. Mama likes a graham cracker pie crust, so that's what we normally get.
Yeah. And all you do is just make your pudding so simple and so easy. You know, when you're in a hurry to fix something, when people's going to come over and they just let you know that they're coming over, so you just hurry up, and if you got pudding, lemon pudding or chocolate pudding or whatever, you just throw it in here. You mix your milk. I need a whisk. Get a whisk.
And this, it calls for 12 ounces, I think, or it would be 12 ounces, but it says 1 3/4 of a cup. So 1 cup and then 3/4 of another cup. And I'm pretty sure that would equal 12 ounces.
Yeah. So, and then you just put your milk in it. And you know what I like, don't you? Carnation evaporated milk.
Yeah, she uses this for everything. She uses it for coffee, cereal, any pies, any desserts. Uses it for everything. And if you could see in the background back there, she's running low. She's down to only 3 things.
Papa will have to run to the store for me.
Yeah, we'll probably send Papa out tomorrow to get some.
Because he knows of the mornings when I have coffee, I got to have that. So, but he's good about running the store for us. And then you just whisk this together, make it thick. And if it was for pudding, you add a little bit more milk. But it's going to be for the pudding pie filling. Or pie, lemon pie. So we're just going to keep doing this until it thickens up. See, it's already starting to thicken. Yeah. Yeah, my daughter's coming in and she should be getting here in a little bit. She's going to be fixing some Mexican food. Her son's been staying here with us for a while, and till she finds a place. And then he's going to be moving back in with her. So, but trying to let y'all see this, how it gets thick.
You just got to keep whisking it in until eventually it'll thicken up.
We forget to turn the phone off each time.
Yeah, every time we do a video, we always forget to take the phone off.
But
sorry
they'll
about
call
that.
back. They'll call back. So, but ain't that the way it is though when you try to do stuff? Yeah, y'all have to watch about your phone calls. I had a phone call yesterday from the Ups. Told me I won $7 million. Yeah, we know. It was a scam. You have to be very careful. I don't give them no information out whatsoever. You know, they want to meet you somewhere and you go in the dollar store and get a card with $300 and said, you give me the number and then I'll give you the check or we'll meet at the bank. It's a lie. It's a scam. They're trying to scam you any way they can. I tell you, things are bad nowadays. Okay, it's getting thick enough. See how thick it's getting? I think you can stick it in there and then we'll put it in the refrigerator. I think it said for about an hour. And then it will really be firm. But we're going to pour it in here. And of course, you know, lemon's my favorite. Lemonade, lemon cake, lemon pies. One of my daughters don't like lemon. It might be Valerie that's coming in, I don't know. One of them said, lemon? I said, yeah, you know me, I love lemon. And just scatter it out in here like that. And then what we're going to do, let me put this in there. We're going to put the Cool Whip on there now. You know, when you get older, your fingers don't want to work, do they? So here's our Cool Whip, or whatever. Cool Whip's what I call it.
You can get Cool Whip, but this one's just a cheap kind. It's called whip topping.
Yeah. And Corey's mom, she'll come down here and look in the refrigerator, and she'll take a bowl of this, and she loves this. She'll put peanut butter in it and eat it like that.
If you put peanut butter in this and you whip it up for a little while until it's fully mixed, it'll be like a really fluffy peanut butter. It'll basically be like a whipped topping, but like a little bit thicker than the whipped topping, and it's peanut butter flavored. And it's super good. She got me to try it one time, and I've been eating it ever since.
Now, I like to fix, when you make a chocolate cake, I like to take the chocolate that you cook, like what my dad used to fix to make the candy, and we made a chocolate gravy and all that, and put peanut butter in it, and then put it on a cake. And that's real good like that, too. I'll have to make that for y'all one day. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to zest this. Let me see which side, this side. And you take your lemon, and I've done washed it, so we're just going to kind of zest it. Over our pie to make it even more lemony.
You put that lemon zest on there, and it's the skin of it grinded up, but it gives it that extra little kick.
Yeah, it sure does. If you like lemons, this is the way to go. The way to go. God is so good. He knows what we like. I heard somebody say one time, said, when you get to heaven, so I wonder if we're going to have steak and eggs. They said, yeah, or meat. And they said, talking about steak. And they said, well, so probably you get an apple and you bite into it, it tastes like steak. I don't know how true that is, you know. But I do believe we'll be eating a lot of fruit stuff. But I believe we'll be eating in heaven. They talk about eating banquet tables and stuff. But I believe we're going to be doing a lot of worshiping. Praising God. Just so happy that we're there. And this old world down here, who wants to live in it? The way it's getting. What do you think, Corey?
And it looks nice.
There we go.
Here's what it'll look like after it's done.
Let me kind of knock some of this off. Yeah, I kind of... Yeah.
That's what it'll look like when it's done.
Oh, you can smell the lemon now. That's our pie. That's our pie for today. So.
And here's some gifts that we got that I'll show now. It's somebody sent all this in one. It was one big package, and they sent in the last video I showed the wedding stuff that somebody sent me, and it came in the same package too. They sent the Amazon card to me, and then they sent all this stuff for everybody else. They sent Mama some coffee and snacks and stuff. They sent this for Little Miss, but I'll go through it all now. Whoever it was, thank you so much for sending us all this stuff. There's some type of candy that I've never seen before. It's like a little round ball thing, and it says hazelnut, and I don't know how to say this last word. Draggy or something like that. But it's like a hazelnut candy or something. Thank you so much. And then this is probably expensive. Coffee. It's a French vanilla medium roasted ground coffee.
Yeah, we have to have our coffee every morning, don't we?
And it says Arabic coffee at the bottom. And this is coffee too. It's, I don't know if y'all can see this on the video, but it says bold roasted ILLY blend, and it's Arabic coffee too. Ground coffee. And it's in a cool little sealed can. If I could get this off, I'll show you. It's like a...
Oh, sorry, Corey, I was going to get my plate.
And it's in this like sealed can, like it's juice or something. I don't know, but it's really cool. You could just, if you want to, you can. That's up to you.
Is that what it smells like? Wow, did you hear that?
Oh, it fizzed open.
Aroma. Oh.
It smells really strong.
Smells good. I can't get
I
it
can
out.
feel it if you hold it. And turn it this way. It smells really strong.
Oh, smells good. Oh, that's going to be dark.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't drink coffee, but I'm sure that'll make some good coffee.
Yeah, I got to try it, that's for sure.
Thank y'all so much for that, too. For all these coffees. And then she sent this for Little Miss.
It's a shirt.
Yeah, it's a shirt.
Take it out and show it to her. Here, I will.
Let Mama show it. And then she sent this personal letter here, too, but I won't show her letter on there because it's personal stuff on there.
It says, God says I am
Beautiful, accepted, bold, redeemed, protected, courageous, kind, strong, and loyal. And it shows the Bible verse that tells where it's at.
Yeah, she'll like that. So.
And then they sent this cool little paper wreath thing. It's like a bouquet of flowers, and then this one's like a wreath. But it says, we plant a tree for each product sold. So whoever purchased this, I guess they planted a tree for them. So that's really cool. It comes with these little cards. This one she'll probably put either in the garden or on the front door or something because it's a cool sunflower wreath. And she loves sunflowers, if for anybody who didn't know.
I thought I'd try it. It looks scrumptious. And that way he can still take a picture of it. Let me get me a...
I'll see if I can get a picture out of the video. I'll pause it or something, and then I could take a picture from there.
So let's see what it tastes like. Yeah, make a square. See. Pudding lemon pie. It's lemony. Yep, it's good.
So that's the
Don't
pie
have to
for
fry.
today. And you have to, the crust is a little bit hard, so sometimes you have to dig down to get the crust out of the bottom. And here's this. For anybody who wants to send a gift, we'll show it like this on the table. And we'll talk about your gift and we'll use it in the video. You can see us using the stuff in the video. But here's the P.O. box for anybody who hasn't seen it. Any new viewers, new subscribers. And since I'm leaving, if y'all would like to send something to Mama, she'll send you a card back. Just make sure to put your address into the inside of the card so she could read it. And she'll send you a card back. And the PayPal at the bottom is just for the people that's requested us to make a PayPal. Or any new viewers or new subscribers. Y'all can take a picture of this here. Or you could pause it or whatever y'all want to do. And you could write it down if you would like. But that's all.
Now today's Friday. So Sunday's Sunday school. So if you can, try to go to God's house. Worshiping. You know, because God is good. He's been good to us and He takes care of us. And we should honor Him every day. Especially on Sundays. You know, we need to worship Him. Love y'all. Y'all take care now. We'll see you in the next one.
That's all for today. And we do appreciate every single gift that y'all send us, no matter how big or small. Even if it's a small package, this happens to be a big package. And we're very thankful of it too, of anything y'all send us.
Yeah, we are. So, we love y'all. We thank you for everything. Thank you for just being our family.
Yeah.
You know. So, just watching us on YouTube, you know, it just tickles us, you know. And I love getting your letters and your cards and reading them, you know. So y'all just keep the letters coming, and I'll keep them going back to you.
Yeah, she'll keep sending them back.
Yeah.
And y'all make sure to like and subscribe. And we love y'all. Thank y'all so much again for everything y'all do for us.
We'll talk to you later.
God bless y'all, and we'll see you in the next one.
Amen.